Guys, we have some good news, a quick video here. DJI Fly 1.4.2, we covered it first, lost on iOS the ability to charge your phone either in settings or automatically. That video got out to thousands of people. You guys were great, you shared it, you fed back on forums. DJI looked and responded. I did some chats to him behind the scenes, and well done DJI for bringing out an update so fast. But the good news is, if you're on iOS, we now have the ability to charge your phone once again. So what is it? So 1.4.3 has now just been released on the App Store, so make sure you can go and update this. I will be doing a full update on this app later on today. I'm just covering the main topic, which is that ability now to charge your phone. So when you connect your phone now, you'll see my charging icon in the top right hand corner is charging. I've got my phone connected to the RC, and then when you go into control, there is still no notification or any option to charge your phone on or off using phone charging, because it's now doing it automatically. And you'll see now, whilst I've actually got the RC connected, that charging icon is still on and it charges it automatically, just like it does on Android as well. If I disconnect now from the actual RC to my phone, you'll see now it says RC not connected on the DJI Fly app, and that charging has gone off. But as soon as you actually then replug the charging cable back into your phone, it automatically charges. Now the issue before is that was coming on for about a second on 1.4.2 and then it was going off. Now it just stays on. So I'm going to be testing this out fully today, making sure everything else is working absolutely spot on. So if you want to hold off actually updating until I put this next video out, then that's fine. I'll try and get this out as soon as possible. But it's brilliant to see that these updates are getting seen by DJI. You guys are awesome for sharing it, and these videos are definitely helpful. We always try and be the first to cover this and to get this information out to as many people as possible. But great news and fantastic work, DJI, getting this update out as quick as possible. So I'll see you very soon, guys. I'm going to cover a full video on this, a quick update for you now, but brilliant, well done.